Welcome to Fantastic Underwater Journey on Top Notch Kids TV. Today we'll meet some of our incredible sea creatures who call the ocean their home. Let's dive right in and get to know them. First up, we have Octavia the octopus. With her 8 arms, Octavia is a master multitasker. She helps keep the ocean clean by munching on leftover food, scraps, and gives the best hugs with all those arms. Isn't that cool? Say hello to Danny the dolphin. Danny loves to play and is super fast and agile. Did you know dolphins are some of the smartest animals in the sea? They can even talk to each other using special sounds called clicks and whistles. Here comes Terry, the sea turtle. Terry might not be the fastest swimmer, but he's definitely one of the oldest and coolest creatures in the ocean. He munches on seagrass and jellyfish, helping keep the ocean balanced. Wow. Meet Coco the crab. With his powerful claws, Coco loves digging in the sand and finding yummy snacks like clams and mussels. Just watch out for his pinch. It's strong but friendly. And next we have Finn the clownfish. Finn is a real jokester who loves darting in and out of the coral reefs. Fun, right? Did you know he has a special relationship with the anemone? He helps keep it clean and it keeps him safe from predators.
Say hello to Sammy the seahorse. Sammy might not be the fastest swimmer, but he's got some serious style with that curly tail. Plus, did you know that seahorses are some of the best dads in the ocean? They carry their babies in a pouch until they're ready to hatch. Look out! It's Jolly the jellyfish. Jolly may look squishy and wobbly, but those tentacles are no joke. Jellyfish help keep the ocean balanced by eating small fish and plankton. Just be careful not to touch their stingers. They're quite the shocker. Meet Stella the starfish. Stella might not have any legs, but she's a star at crawling across the ocean floor. Did you know that starfish can regenerate lost limbs? That means if one of Stella's arms gets eaten by a predator, she can grow it back. Talk about a superpower. It's Larry the lobster. Larry might look tough with those big claws, but he's actually a big softie. Lobsters help keep the ocean floor clean by scavenging for dead animals and shells. Plus, they're a delicious treat for humans too. Just ask anyone who's had a lobster dinner. Here comes Ellie the eel. Ellie might slither and slide like a snake, but she's a friendly eel who loves to explore the coral reefs. Did you know that eels can shock their prey with electricity? It's like having a built-in stun gun. Zap! But wait, there are even more fascinating creatures waiting to be discovered beneath the waves. From colourful fish to majestic whales, the ocean is teeming with life just waiting to be explored. So, grab your snorkel and fins, because the adventure doesn't end here. Join us next time as we dive deeper into the wonders of the sea. Wow, weren't those sea animals amazing? Each one has its own special talents and helps make the ocean a wonderful place to explore. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure. Please subscribe to Top Notch Kids TV. Until next time, keep swimming and learning.